Are you tired of not knowing how to use the Xbox tool? So imagine how much easier your gaming setup could be if you knew how to use this powerful tool. Today we're going to show you exactly how to get you started with Xbox so that you can level up your gaming experience. First, let's talk about downloading and installing the Xbox tool. It's super simple. So just head over to the website, the official website, click the download button and follow the steps to install it. Now, once installed, open the tool and you'll see a user-friendly interface, all right? Next, let's dive into how to connect your Xbox controller to your PC. This tool makes it easy. Simply plug in your Xbox controller and Xbox will recognize it right away. Now you're ready to start customizing your settings. So third, customizing controller settings. You want your buttons to do something special? Xbox lets you change your controller layout to fit your style. You can remap buttons and create the perfect setup for your favorite games, all right? And for step 4, let's look at fixing connection issues. So if your controller isn't connecting properly, Xbox has a built-in troubleshooting guide to fix it fast, all right? Finally, updating your Xbox controller's firmware with Xbox is super easy. Just click the update button, let it do the work for you. That's it. So now it's your turn to try this. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.